dear student. I am from Bhuj English School. In previous section I explained you about the letter. What is letter? And letter are of two kinds. Now I will give you one example. Listen to the question, children. Question is, Indian Insurance Company, New Delhi, has given an advertisement in the Hindustan Times for the recruitment of management trainees to be groomed as a manager of the company. Apply for the same, giving your details via data. Invent all the necessary details. You are Raj Rita, 54A Gandhi Road, Lucknow. Now what in this question what they have mentioned, that you have to identify. If you are boy, you have to write Raj. If you are girl, you have to write Rita. And the address is given, 54A Gandhi Road, Lucknow. Right, children? Now how we will start the letter? What they are asking in the letter, that they need one See, Indian Insurance Company in New Delhi. The name of the country is India Insurance Company, New Delhi. Given the advertisement in which paper? The Hindustan Times, for the requirement of management trainings to be groomed as a manager of the company. They need a manager, right? Apply for the same, and they want the details of the candidate. Correct? Now answer how we will mention. Everything should be on left side. Rita, suppose your girl, Rita, 54A Gandhi Road, Lucknow, and date we have to mention 10th March 2020, right? Then read one line. Then here the company name is given. So the personal manager you will write. Then the name is Indian Insurance Company, New Delhi. It is in New Delhi. After that, after your address, the company address will come. It is already mentioned in the question, right? If the address is not mentioned, your address, you can write in 3 lines. In short, your address, right? If it is mentioned, you have to follow that only. In the question paper, question what it is written. Then, dear sir, then we have to write subject, recruitment of management training, right? They need a management training. With the reference to your advertisement in the Hindustan Times, date 5th March 2020, for the management training to be groomed as a manager for your company. So where you have read? You have read in which paper? The Hindustan Times on 5th day, and they need a manager. So you are informing about that. Then you are saying, I would like to be considered for said post. So you want to join that company, right? Then my CV, biodata we can say, is enclosed for the consideration. If I am found suitable, I can appear for interview at any suitable time for you. Here we are asking, here what it is mentioned, if I am suitable. He has written the resume, he is explaining that, right? Biodata. And if I am suitable, any time they can take interview. I am sure you of my cooperation and devotion towards my duty. That what he is telling, that I will be sure and I will be dedicated to my work, right? Then your faithfully, Rita. What you will do? Then in biodata, what you will write? First your name. Rita is given. If your boy, you will write Raj. Then your father's name, address, your address, date of birth, educational qualification, your BCom, from where, whatever you are from. Then experience, where you have worked. Suppose you have worked for 6 months, 1 year, whatever experience you have got, you have to mention in this. Then present employment, working with a Bobble, suppose tele system. You can, where you are working, you have to mention that. Then marital status, whether you are married or unmarried. Then personal detail. Personal detail, in personal detail what will come? Your age, weight, height, right? Your hobbies, your mother tongue. That will come in personal. The languages you know English, Hindi, whatever you know, you have to write in that. Then hobbies, listening to music, example, reading, whatever. Then references. References means the people who know you and they give the positive views for you. Example, Dr. Himanshu Morabia, Professor Naulekar Roy. Two, you can give references. Okay? I hope you have understood. If any, see children, if anything you're lacking, you can just inform me. You can give message, I will explain you again, and please practice the letters. This is very, very important. Thank you and have a nice day.